In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can ClickUp be used as CRM? We'll walk through a simple, practical setup right inside ClickUp, using built-in templates to create a lightweight CRM that you can start using immediately. Along the way, I'll point out why this works, what to watch out for, and a few quick tips to make it easier to manage. Start by heading to your workspace and opening the list area where your tasks live. You'll likely see a list view of all tasks, which is perfect for what we need. From here, open the View options so you can orient yourself. This is your hub, and it's where your pipeline items, deals, or contacts will appear once we bring in a CRM template. Think of this as the home base for your CRM data inside ClickUp. Next, we're going to add a template into the space where you want your CRM to live. If you already have a space dedicated to sales or client work, use that. If you don't have a space yet, this is a good moment to create one that's clearly labeled for your sales or customer management. Keeping the CRM in its own space will make it easier to give the right people access and keep your tasks tidy. On the left sidebar, click the plus sign next to your chosen space. This opens creation options, and you'll see a templates choice there. Click Templates. Templates are powerful because they bring in pre-built fields, statuses, and views. For CRM work, they usually include stages like qualified, demo, proposal, and closed, plus fields such as company, contact, deal value, and priority. In the template library, type CRM into the search bar. On the right side, make sure you've enabled the template types you want to see: space templates, folder templates, and list templates, so you don't miss any options. Enabling more types gives you a broader range to choose from and makes it easier to match the template to your current structure. If you're unsure, a list or folder template is often a great starting point. You should now see a variety of CRM options appear. There are lots of styles to choose from, ranging from simple pipelines to more robust account management setups. If you see a prompt like "See More," click it to expand the full list and browse everything available. This view shows all the available CRM templates, so you can compare the descriptions and pick the one that best matches your workflow. A simple CRM template is great if you want to get moving fast. More detailed templates can be helpful if you need built-in reporting or multiple views out of the box. Choose what fits your current process rather than the most complex option. Complexity can be added later once your basics are running smoothly. When you've found a template you like, click Use Template. A preview will open with details. Click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will then add the template into the space you selected, and you'll see the structure appear in your sidebar and your main view. Give it a moment if it needs to populate fields, statuses, and example items. With the template in place, go into the new list it created and add your first item using Add Task. This could represent a lead, a deal, or an account, depending on the template you chose. You'll notice the task has custom fields ready to go, things like contact info, deal value, stage, and next steps, so you can start capturing useful CRM data without building anything from scratch. Once your task is created, set its priority to high to make it stand out, especially if this is an active opportunity or a hot lead. Priorities in ClickUp are a quick visual cue for what needs your attention first. After setting the priority, click Save. That locks in your changes and ensures your pipeline reflects what matters most right now. At this point, your CRM framework is ready, and you can repeat the same process for additional records. You can move items across stages as deals progress and switch between views, like list or board, depending on how you prefer to manage your pipeline. The beauty of this approach is that your CRM lives in the same place as your tasks and projects, making handoffs from sales to delivery much easier. So, can ClickUp be used as a CRM? As you've just seen, absolutely. ClickUp's templates make it straightforward to stand up a basic CRM quickly, and the custom fields and views give you the building blocks you need to track leads and deals. It's especially effective if you want your sales work to connect tightly with project management, onboarding, or customer success inside the same platform. That said, keep an eye on complexity. ClickUp is a powerful work management system, and it can become overwhelming if you turn on too much at once. Start with a simple template. Keep only the fields you'll actually use, and let your process guide what you enable next. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Keep your stages clear and mutually exclusive, so each item lives in only one place in the pipeline. Use priority sparingly to highlight true next actions, not everything at once. And revisit your template after a week or two. Remove fields that no one is filling out and rename stages to match the language your team actually uses. Small adjustments like these make your CRM cleaner and more reliable. There we go. You now have a working CRM inside ClickUp, built from a template, with your first task added, priority set, and everything saved. It's a simple setup that can grow with you while keeping your workflow in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more clear, practical guides. See you in the next one.